Hello and welcome to this online English 235 course. My name is Amy Wortley and I'll be your instructor for this quarter's worth of work. So welcome. The first thing to be successful in any online course is to familiarize yourself with the Canvas software. Do make sure when you get to your home screen in Canvas when you log in to watch through those tutorial videos if you have any questions about how the software functions. Once you've watched those videos, click back on over here and you can see more specifics for our course. If you're familiar with Canvas, I want to walk you through just some of the things that this particular Canvas shell offers. First thing is our home screen. This orients you to what's going on in the course in general. The announcements orient you to what we're going to be doing each week. So check at the beginning of each week to see what kind of assignments you're required to complete. These announcements will help remind you about due dates as well, so do make sure to check in. First week will tell you all about the books we're going to be using and different ways to submit work. So do make sure to read through these assignments so that you know what to expect each week. The Assignments tab is of course very helpful as it tells you what assignments you're going to be doing. All of these assignments are listed with their due dates. Anytime you click on an assignment, it will walk you through the directions for that assignment. Sometimes this will direct you to an external page, and sometimes it will just give you a Word document of the assignment itself. So make sure to check through that so that you know exactly what to expect of each assignment. Read through all of the instructions very carefully because you have to read and understand the instructions in order to complete the assignment. If you have any questions on how to successfully complete an assignment, reach out before the due date. If you send me an email at 11:30 p.m. and the assignment is due at midnight, I don't have time to help you. It's just not physically possible nor plausible. So do make sure to reach out ahead of time well in advance if you don't understand an assignment. I would recommend 24 hours so that I can have time to give you a thoughtful, carefully crafted reply that's going to set you up for success. So read through the assignments early, read through them often, and reach out with any questions. Once you've read through the assignment and you fully understand it, you'll then be able to submit it through that Assignments tab. Discussions are one of the ways that we engage in the online environment, so do make sure to read through each of these discussions. You are going to be responding to classmates as well, so make sure you understand the topic before you respond. And we want our responses to be substantive. That means we're responding in depth and detail and trying to continue on the conversation. The syllabus is an essential part of this course as well. There are two syllabi associated with this class. There's the English 235 syllabus. This is the English department syllabus. You're going to want to make sure you know what the department policies are, as well as what all English classes have to adhere to. The syllabus addendum is the specific requirements for this class. Think of the syllabus as an agreement between the teacher and the student. It lets you know what I expect from you, and in turn lets you know what to expect from me. So read through that syllabus carefully so that you understand all the due dates, all the assignments, and the different ways this course will be structured. Grades is pretty self-explanatory. If you have questions about grades, always reach out. Those are the major things this class provides, so do make sure to look through here, familiarize yourself with the work, and if you have any questions, reach out. I'm here to help. I look forward to getting to know you this quarter in this virtual environment. Have a great term.